Go to the window panel in Photoshop and select channels. With the channels panel, go to the right side menu and select new channel or down to the plus. And you can see you've got an alpha channel now, completely blank. Go over to here to the tools panel, select the ellipse tool. Go to pixels and set to black or any other colour and apply. And you can create multiple dots over the screen there, over the image. Now, you could create 50 or 100. What you can also do, apply filters. So filter and down to blur and Gaussian blur. And you can see now I set that to 20, click OK. I want that as a selection, so I can just go back to RGB and go to select and load selection. With load selection, use the alpha one there, click OK. And you can see your selection. Edit and copy, edit and paste. So you paste it back in as a layer. You can see then in the layers panel, you've got that extra layer. You can go to layer and layer style, bevel emboss. You could of course use styles panel, maybe to add styles that way. Bevel emboss, and you can create a variety of ones. Now I'm using here the emboss, smooth, 563 for the depth. Also size, soften, like 29, 12. And also I'm using the dip one, but you can vary it, just try them out. There's a whole range of different ones, just run through them. Which one you think works best? I think that one's quite a nice one, so I'm going to go with that one. Click OK. Well, you can always, of course, add an additional one. So you can always go to there again, the right side menu, and maybe go down to here and click plus again, create another one. So create some other droplets and again, use exactly the same as before, or maybe apply different effects, a twirl, etc. You can put droplets in different places. Again, go to filters and blur and Gaussian blur. Again, use the same setting or maybe a different setting, or maybe use another filter, maybe go for distort and twirl just to modify it slightly, or use some of the tools to modify them. Well, you've got alpha 2 there. Well, go back now to the RGB there and you can go to select and down to load selection. And this time make certain you select alpha 2. So alpha 2 selected, so you've got obviously a couple other ones there. Alpha 2 selected, click OK. Again, edit and copy and edit and paste. Exactly the same as before, just go over to layer and layer style, bevel emboss, and now you can see you've got extra droplets added to your design. And you can modify the size, change various things, gain all the settings, maybe change the angle, up to you. But you've got those, click OK. And of course you can repeat that, create whole loads of droplets on top of droplets on top of droplets. Go to layer menu and flatten once you're happy with everything. And then go to image, adjustments. And of course you could also, if you wish, use the layer menu and new adjustment layers. And then go maybe to levels and you can tweak this. So you can just say, you know, want it slightly darker, maybe slightly there, just to emphasize the droplets even more. So click OK. Well, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.